Hi, welcome to In Front of Computer. How can we really make this kind of beautiful design just using stroke effects? Very simple stroke arrowheads effect. Okay, so here we can just select and delete them, and I can just draw a line, a rectangle, and just a ellipse. You can select all of them, then you can change the stroke weight or stroke size. And here you can see that when you're selecting them, I am using the properties panel. If you don't see the properties panel, just go to window and bring your properties panel. Okay, here when you select this line, then click the stroke, and here you can see the arrowheads. Now if I apply, then it applied here. This is for the starting point, this is for the end point. So here when we draw this line, we start drawing from this point. So this is the starting point and this is the end point. So if I apply here something, it applied here, but there is a problem. You can see this arrow head or the arrow tip or this line's starting point is the same, but we don't want this arrowhead to end on the starting point. We want it to be added here from this point. Okay, we select this one, go to stroke, and this time you can see this align. If you select this one, the first one, now you can see that on this starting point, this arrowhead started. And this time if I select it again and go to stroke again, this is the end point. Okay, I want to add this one, then it looks nice. So this is how you can easily draw a beautiful arrow just using the arrowheads. For this one, go to stroke, and then you can see the arrowheads. You can add beautiful arrowheads like this one, and also on the end point. But this time if you really select this hairline, now it's just on the same point. This looks actually very nice. You can see that. Okay, if I select this one this time, go to stroke and again arrowhead, we can select something like this one, but on this head we just want to select this point probably, and this looks weird. We can just reduce the size. We can do another thing. We can also add this effect to make it nicer. Now you can see that. We can also make it an arrow, like a rounded arrow, carved arrow, very easily. So this is the end point, this is the starting point. So here you can just add this. Now you can see that this is a nice design. We can just increase the size, then it doesn't look good or beautiful. When we increase the size, then we can also increase the size of this ellipse, then probably it will look better. Okay, so how can we really make something beautiful again? Okay, here this time I can just draw a line. So this is our starting point. We can go to the stroke, and here we can just add effect, and this time just a flower. But we don't want this flower on the bottom, we want it on the top. So go to stroke, and then if you click this one, then it will just swap. And here we can just fix this align, clicking here, and you can also change the profile very easily. Just go to profile and you can change it. Look, now it's really beautiful. So here this time we can also just customize it. Just go to stroke And then here this time, okay, let me select this one. You can see this one is scaling. We can just we can just reduce or increase the size. Okay, if you want this to just linked or the ratio should be the same when you scale or you scale down, then you can just click here. Now it's linked. So now if you just increase or decrease, the ratio should be always same. Very easy, right? So this is how you can really add good design or use these arrowheads effects to make your design beautiful. I am Uttam Kumar from the In Front of Computer. See you in the next video. If you like it, subscribe and share.